In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning wireframe effect using Blender. This is a great technique if you're looking to add a unique geometric look to your 3D models. So let's dive in and get started with transforming your object into a wireframe masterpiece. First, take a moment to select the object you'd like to convert. This is where your creative journey begins, whether it's a simple cube or a complex character model. Once your object is selected, your next destination is the Properties panel, located typically to the right of your screen. Here, you'll find a tab represented by a small blue wrench icon. This is the Modifiers tab, which houses a wide array of tools you'll use to modify and enhance your model. Within the Modifiers tab, you'll want to click on the option labeled Add Modifier. This opens up a new list of categories. Look for the category marked as Generate, which contains various modifiers that create new geometry from your original object. From here, select the option labeled Wireframe. This action will instantly apply a wireframe modifier to your selected object, and you'll notice your model now has a grid-like appearance made up of edges and vertices. Now, to really make it your own, head over to the settings within this wireframe modifier. Here, the first thing to pay attention to is the thickness setting. By adjusting the thickness, you can control how bold or subtle your wireframe lines appear. Sliding this setting up or down, you can create a solid wireframe or a nearly invisible mesh of your object, essentially giving you control over the visual impact of the wireframe on your model. There's also an option you'll find labeled as Replace Original. By default, this option is checked, meaning it replaces your original mesh with the wireframe. If you'd like to keep the original form visible underneath, simply uncheck this box. This tip is particularly useful for creating a sense of depth or a mixed-style visual effect where both the wireframe and the underlying mesh are visible, offering more complexity to your design. Throughout this process, feel free to experiment with these settings to strike the perfect balance for your project. Remember, the beauty of Blender lies in its flexibility and the ability to customize and tweak settings until you achieve the desired look. With this technique in your creative toolkit, you're all set to explore endless possibilities with wireframe effects. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy modeling.